Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. To adjust the volume, we need to first locate touch areas. And it's located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have SOUNDPEATS logo here. And this is actually a touch areas. Now, if you press one time at your right earbud, you will increase the volume. Now, as you can see at this widget, I just increase it by press one time. If you press one time at your left earbud, you will lower the volume. And again, as you can see at this widget, I just lower it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!